So there's a lot going on in this problem, so let's try to figure out the whole thing. First of all, we know that these items together cost $8.25, but in this state, they do not tax things that are food. So they're only putting a tax on the napkins and the paper plates, and that's 5% or 19 cents. Now, that 5% as a decimal, remember if you divide that by 100, it's like moving the decimal point over 2 places, so it's the same thing as 0.05. Now the reason why that's important, if we knew how much the napkins and paper plates cost together, we could multiply that number by 0.05 and that would give us the 19 cents. But we don't know that amount, so we need to work backwards on this by dividing. So I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to do 0.19 because I'm out of room divided by 0.05, and that gives you $3.80. So that's how much just the napkins and the paper plates cost. But the question is, how much does the watermelon cost? So what we need to do is take the $8.25 and subtract $3.80, and that gives you $4.45, and that right there is how much the watermelon costs.